So I was walking through the woods and some guy came up to me and said, "I'm gonna kill you." But then I said to him, "What's your bench press PR?" And I ate him. So this is how I got the chainsaw. And I'm gonna attempt to restore it. First I'm taking off the chain. He probably cut a lot of people up with this one. Okay, so now I'm disassembling it fast as a monkey. I don't know what that means as always, but I'm just cleaning it with some window cleaner to make it pretty. For this I did a lot of work off camera because it was really hard and I wanted to get this finished today. And yeah, I'm usually doing woodworking, but this week I decided to try to be a mechanic, but didn't do very good job at being a mechanic. My dad helped me with this one. So I tried to get it up and running again, but I don't know, something's really messed up about this saw, cause we changed the spark plugs. I cleaned a little connection in the saw. I changed the cylinder front part. You can see that gray one. And I even cleaned out the carburetor. I tried spinning the starter with a drill, but nothing worked. No, the spark plugs were sparking, the fuel was flowing, but for some reason it just didn't ignite. So maybe if you're an expert in USSR chainsaws, then sure let me know in the comments, and maybe I can get this thing up and running. But until the foreseeable future, it will stay here with my hand planes. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, press the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later, alligator. Bye bye, butterfly.